Hello fellow gamers, fellow Blizzard gamers. These are the hard times for us all. The worlds which are a major parts of our lives, of yours and mine childhood, are being torn apart. And like you, I have also seen many videos of why all of this is happening, of why the Blizzard itself is slowly dying, and with it, our worlds as well. And people are still trying to figure out why is that. Some say it's because of the money, and that's why Blizzard or Activision is transferring its best developers to the mobile games. You know, China, microtransactions, money. Some say that we grew up and that we don't play MMOs anymore. Some say it's the Fortnite. But through the deep research and after the months of putting all the pieces of the puzzle together, I think I have finally come to the only logical explanation of why this Activision Blizzard thing is happening at this moment. And I'm gonna share it with you. But I must say, it's a dark revelation. What you and I know as the Activision is nothing else than the Sargeras himself, and after the fall of Arthas, Ner'zhul is slowly infiltrating Blizzard's mind, because there always has to be a Lich King. That's why Blizzard sends its developers to China, which is nothing else but a Northrend, like Arthas did with its own troops, not caring about them, only caring about his own goal. That's why Blizzard is relieving its own foundators and company veterans out of duty, like Arthas did with the Uther. The Warcraft 3 Reforged is nothing else but a fel, the blood of Manoroth that someone is trying to make us drink and in return take everything from us. I think that we are like Jaina Proudmoore, caring about our own Arthas, seeing him slowly dying and not being able to help. And if our Arthas dies, will we come for the Activision, for our own Sargeras? Will we show no mercy? I'm gonna finish this video by saying that this is the only logical explanation of why all of this is happening, because anything else just doesn't make any sense at this moment. You know, why would you want to destroy the foundations of your own house?